We're the Huston sisters.
Hey y'all, welcome to the Huston sisters. So it's a Sunday morning and we are headed to a place called CULTIVATE, Atlanta, I believe. It's off of Howell Mill Road in Atlanta, Georgia. So make sure you stay tuned. We're going for brunch and we'll see you in just a little bit.
So we just sat down.
This is our seating. Our meal was very expensive.
Tiffany ordered a lot.
No, Brittany ordered a lot. Jeremiah only ordered one thing.
But anyways, across the street is where we ate at last time in our last vlog. And you guys, I guess the wait wasn't that bad.
Yeah. For a line, so you don't
know
have to
what's
wait
going
in.
on.
Yeah, you don't really know what's going on. You have to wait in line in order to get your order taken, and then they give you a table number
32.
and then I guess once you order, they bring it to your table. I haven't.
Yeah, like when you first come in, you don't know what to do. You just see the line, and you just, I guess I'm supposed to stand in line.
Yeah, so everybody was confused. Yeah, so
somebody broke the whole line.
So we'll see how the food turns out, and we'll come back to video our food once they bring it out, I guess.
Yeah, and then they have their vegan friendly, you guys. So what did I get? I got vegan French toast. I got vegan sausage balls. I got avocado toast. And what else did I get?
And Jeremiah and I got the Nashville Sriracha chicken and waffles. It had some creamy white stuff on it. We asked them to put it on the side.
I forgot what else I got.
Alright, so make sure you guys share, like, and subscribe, and we will be back when the food comes.
My nails are gone.
So hey you guys, we're just now leaving the restaurant, Cultivate and Company, whatever it's called. I'm stuffed, I am full, and my food was good. The avocado toast, I like my avocado simple. They had all this extra stuff on it. It was good, but it was too much. Sometimes simple is best. And my French toast, it was okay. I think I make it better at home. It was still good. And my hash browns, I think our roasted potatoes are better, but it was still good. The sausage balls they weren't nasty, but it wasn't good. It's for sausage, they didn't have any flavor in them. And they needed some sage or something in them. It tastes like unflavored chicken to me. But yeah.
And my chicken and waffles, they were really good. Could have been hot. The chicken and the waffles were not hot or warm, but they were still very good and tasty. It also came with the white sauce. The white sauce may have been some type of The white sauce may have been some type of ranch or something, and then it also came with a sriracha sauce on the side. Should have got it on it because it was actually pretty good. So if we do come back, it'll probably be a to-go order. Don't think we'll be sitting inside.
Yeah, you guys, the sitting like area is very small. Like I ordered a lot, and it was like 2 little small tables. Like we didn't have. It was just like it was crunched up and stuff like that. And then with the small tables, yeah, even the plates were small. So it's like if something spills, then what? They were small and they were like flat. So yeah, you guys, that was our experience there. The food was good, but right now we're about to get in the car and we'll see y'all later. Bye.